Hello, this will be a very quick review of WMF's water cooker. A short one because this is a very simple device as it's supposed to be, and maximum capacity is 1 liter, and I will cook 1 liter of water now, even though I don't need that much, but I think it's significant to know the amount of time needed for this maximum capacity. So the appliance is very beautiful. I think I should say that, and it's very easy to use. So you open it like this, fill it in, close it, and it's significant to say that there are no filters. I even asked in the store because it was not clear to me where they are. There aren't any, so you don't have to take something out and to wash it after a certain time, and that hasn't happened to me until now. And I have this for, well, not exactly 1 year, but let's say 9 months. I don't use it every day, but there is no caulk inside. When it appears, I will just put some apple cider vinegar inside and leave it overnight, and that will be everything. So I think that's very important, that there is no filter. One important thing to say is that when I first bought it and brought it home, I thought it's not working, but it was my mistake. See, these options are all for tea, and because I don't drink that much of, I'm not a tea drinker, and especially I don't know the difference for which tea the temperature should be, water should be 60 degrees, 70 degrees, and so on. I use only this one. But the thing that's important that I didn't figure out at the beginning, so I thought something was wrong. You do not press this button first and then the grease. Instead, you press that and then that, and then it starts to work. When it's done, a signal will be heard, and now I will measure the time. It will be more precise if I use the timer on my phone, but we'll do it like this. It's set onto 5 minutes, that's just too much, but anyway. And then when you want to keep the water at the certain temperature, then you just press this button. Now, when it's on 100 degrees, because it's boiling water, of course this button will not do its function. But for all the remaining buttons, you may press this button after the device has reached a certain number of degrees, so to say. So for 100 degrees it's not working, and even though I made a video pause, it's almost real time. I just wanted to set this egg, which I couldn't do with my hand. So it's like 2 seconds of time because I've made another video that I will join together. But it's pretty much everything is in real time, 2 seconds late only. And it's very convenient that the device is so small. I think it's part of the Kitchen Minis collection. The one thing I do not like is the length of the cable. It's short. It's very short. So that's not convenient. With everything else, I am pleased. So around 2 minutes is needed for 1 liter of water. We will wait for the signal anyway. A little longer than 2 minutes, 2:30, let's say. Then you just take it off. And that's it. When you pour the water out and you return it, so there's nothing you have to turn off. For example, this button, no, you just take it off. And that's it. So my overall impression, I'm very, very satisfied with this device. It was expensive, but it was buy 3 pay 2, so it was actually an extra. Otherwise I don't think I would buy this one, or maybe I would, because it was the only one made of glass, or there was another one made of glass, but it didn't have all these specific temperatures, and I would probably get the other one, the glass one, but without so many options. But as I said, since it was buy 3 pay 2, I took the most expensive one, of course. I hope you like this video and that you find it useful and that it will help you make your decision whether to buy this. I'm very satisfied. Bye. One thing I forgot to mention is after you've taken all the water out, you should, that's my advice, keep it like this, because if you close it, then the condensation will appear, and it's just better to always have it looking nice and clean.